Well, howdy everybody. Today I'm kayaking on the beautiful Slate River in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. This river is one of the main tributaries to Lake Gogebic. It's at the far south end of the lake and absolutely beautiful. Today is nice and cool and sunny, as you can see, and as long as you're sticking the river, you don't get bothered by mosquitoes. There's the Slate River, view of the Slate River, closer to the headwater. Right where it comes out of the forest, there's a nice waterfall, but we didn't walk back there. Alright, we're headed downstream. I don't understand this. When we went up the river, we were against the wind. Now we're headed back. Whether the wind's changed direction or whether it's just on our behalf has changed. Now it seems like we're paddling against the wind, leaving. What kind of story is that, huh? This is the much more open part as we get close to the lake. As you can see, a lot of aquatic vegetation, marshland on either side of the river. It's a little broader, more open. Yeah. At the open portion, more open area, as the Slate River gets closer to Lake Gogebic, and guess what? The wind is at our back, finally. So rare when you're paddling or rowing. It always seems like you're rowing or paddling against the wind. And we got the wind at our back now. So we're coasting down the river, getting closer to Lake Gogebic. Certainly been a fun kayaking trip for sure. Just an absolutely beautiful day. Can't ask for any better. Nice and cool, and no mosquitoes. So, great trip indeed.